There's snow everywhere.
Yeah, you had a shovel?
You need something more than shovel. It might kind of take an hour for me.
I'll shovel it. Where's the shovel?
I don't know.
You help David with the furnace, I'll shovel.
We don't have shovel. We might have to borrow his.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Could I borrow a shovel from you?
Oh yeah, of course. Let me just open the garage there. There's one right in front.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries. And there's one just in this first garage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will the doors close on their own for you, or you want to leave them open?
No, you can just hit the button.
Hit the button and it'll...
Okay.
And it'll shut. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. If you have any problems, just let me know.
Sure,
Okay,
thank
thanks.
you.
Okay. Outside?
Yeah. You.
All right, we'll go.
He has this. Might take a
Snowblower?
sec. We might can ask.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause
Here.
look, come here. Come here. You won't be able to clean that. You at least need clearance around your units to work around, right?
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah, that's
We'll go ask him. I'll start shoveling this, and you ask him if we can use the
Sure.
snowblower.
yeah. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Alright, so we started with plowing, but it seems like there's a lot of snow at that corner around the unit. Are we allowed to use your snowblower? By any chance?
Just to like get around there.
Yeah, like where the unit is, we need to make a way to get our unit to drag there, but it's gonna take like an hour and a half for us to shovel.
Here, I'll get it going for you. It's kind of temperamental, this
Yeah?
snowblower, so
Okay.
it's a little bit temperamental. I have to tune the engine up. It's my spring project.
Okay. Now we have to continue with this shovel, I guess, then. Yeah.
What do you say?
That's gonna be, I don't know. He's not sure about it.
There's some grass.
Ah. There he is.
All right. So you're good then?
Let's see.
Okay.
What the fuck? Shit, eh? Where are we gonna put the unit?
Here?
Yeah.
This isn't a fire. There's no fireplace. This is a fireplace there, right? Looks like it.
I guess.
Maybe. Yeah.
It's a lot of work, dude.
Yeah, always. Never fails.
Good to go.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
You know how to use it? I don't know.
No worries.
Yeah, we'll be there all day. We'll never get done.
Not like that. Yo, yo, yo. Alright, so we won't be able to fit our unit at the same spot, so we might have to move over, because on the top of the unit there is a dryer vent, and on the left side there is the exhaust of the furnace, and on the right side it's a bulkhead. So we have to like put at that bulkhead, like right in front of that bulkhead.
What bulkhead?
Huh?
Like where outside? Like
So where's your exhaust?
Right here.
You're right here. So this is your vent for what? Your dryer or what? I don't know. What is that for?
that's looks like
Oh, this is HRV. Yeah,
that's the HRV.
that's HRV, and then there is a bulkhead here. Okay, so I can't move this way, so I have to go towards.
You have to go outwards.
Yeah, out towards the bulkhead.
Okay.
So-
Was the client out there? Or did you come
No, I might have to talk with, but I just want to discuss with you what you want.
Okay, I'll come out and see.
Okay.